can't get my man, you must see mad na na no na na de. No girl can't get my man, you must see mad see the Hooku Wine de. No girl can't get my man, you must see mad na.
Well, on everybody, welcome to another exciting episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host Lijitimate, and today we're in Sand Hills Hellshire, St. Catherine. We have a jam-packed show lined up just for you with the latest interviews, news and charts. So you ready? You better be, because your Pree Dis journey starts right now, so buckle up. Music, good vibes, and non-stop entertainment. And it all went down at the 16th staging of the Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival in Markham Park, Sunrise in Florida. Pree Dis was there, and we have the highlights. Check it out.
Despite outbreaks of rain, the 16th staging of the Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival managed to attract a large turnout of patrons who not only enjoyed delicious jerk dishes, but also soaked up tons of entertainment inside Markham Park in Sunrise, Florida. Presented in association with Publix, the event featured cook-offs. The Publix Culinary Pavilion saw Chef Alain Lemaire from the Food Network's Cutthroat Kitchen Season 8 taking home first place. Inside the Publix Culinary Pavilion, demonstrations and presentations from Chef Harry and Chef Andre Fowles kept the interest of patrons.
It's a great experience, man. It feels good. Gratifying, but shout out to the other chef that was competing also. At the end of the day, it's a whole fraternity, and I'm honored that the judges felt that my dish was more to their liking, so it's a pleasure, man.
5 participants competed in the Public Celebrity Cook-Off, where participants prepared 3-course meals. Jamaican chef Troy Tingling was the first place winner. The Western Union Cultural Stage was a big hit. Prophet Peter and the Soul Rock Peart and Soul Savers delivered a spirited performance in the pouring rain. On the main stage, there were great performances. Leon Caldera brought the soca vibes, while Code Red Band whipped up popular Jamaican hits from yesteryear. Rocksteady King Ken Booth danced up a storm and delivered the hits he's known for, while King Yellowman, Morgan Heritage, and Taurus Riley put the icing on the cake.
Walk like we, talk like we, look like we, sing like we, walk about, it's about wine like we. Come from Jamaica. Marijuana in America, different from the one in Jamaica. Marijuana in Canada, different from the one in Jamaica. Don't have me to be Rasta. This is not a dreadlock sting, even concession of the heart. River Johnson, hey, don't be afraid of your head, I'm burning fire. God, my head, I'm burning fire. Just sit your fire and you never get burned. Never, ever. Fire that breaks over heating red water. Sitting fire. No water can put out your fire. Fire.
food vendors did brisk business and patrons filled up on their favorite jerk meals. Let's hear from patrons and performers their thoughts about the event.
Jerk Festival this year was awesome still. It started off a little sketchy. The rain did kind of make you worry about it. But other than that, it started out, but it ended great. Taurus Valley put on a great show, did his thing, mashed up the place, boom.
I thought it was really good. I haven't been here in many years, and you can tell the development over the years, and you can tell that things have come a long way. Despite the rain, it was still a great event. I got all the things I wanted to try: jerk pork, jerk chicken. I didn't try that jerk ice cream, but I did get my grape nut ice cream, so that was good.
The rain and everything, but it turned out really great. There were some really good performances, and overall I enjoyed the show.
It's a mix-up thing, you know, with young, before and after. And I like shows like that, you know, because in every generation, there is singers and players of instruments. My generation took it to a level. Now it's in the hands of this generation, singers and players of instruments, and I wish them all the best.
Joy, because it's more about the culture, our food culture. You know what I mean? It's not really a music festival, it's a food festival. So, you know, to support the Jamaican culture beyond the music is always good to I.
And that was our coverage of the 16th staging of the Grace Jamaican Jerk Festival held at Markham Park in Sunrise, Florida.
With all that jerk and entertainment, it's time for our first commercial break. When we come back, Trekar sits in the Talent on the Rise seat and Riki rolls out her new music video. Pree Dis so forward, don't move.
Are you an entrepreneur? Do you have a business but don't know how to harness its full potential? But I can tell you see here at Jane Small Business Loans, we firmly believe in partnerships, solid relationships, guidance, and the support that you need to be successful. With responsible lending, accessible microfinancing, growth for all entrepreneurs, surely. Jane Small Business Loans, believing in you.
Wait. Take a bite of National Giant Hardo. Nothing comes close. How do you hardo? Bread and patty? Bread and butter?
National Giant Hardo bread, baked with national pride.
We are top man, we take charge. Magnum, we drink and we are shell down bars. Blast like a star with some Gallapar. Overdo it, we take it too far. Take charge.
We are hot gal, we set the trend. Magnum, we drink for the top man them. Wine with the style, no stop from spend. Hot blend, back bend, and take charge. Ready for the video, we are prime time. Anywhere you see we go, we are headline. We back, we talk, we own waistline. Cut the cart, now we ready for the wine. Take charge.
You know hide with the Magnum buckle. Slide and a glide and a bust big tackle. Big sound a rise and the whole place crackle. No, we cannot win a stock. Take charge. Overdo it, we take it too far.
Wine with the style. Wine with the style.
Magnum tonic wine for the real star them.